Wow, what a nice interior. The floor mats look so boring. It's literally something from 2014. I don't get it. The feel is so bad. I swear it's so bad. Now listen up. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Hello guys, I am back. Today I'm welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new Aston Martin DBX. The first SUV model, but as you can already see, it's not a normal one. Here we have the Mansory DBX, and this is completely modified and rebuilt by Mansory. So what they have done is they have added their exterior white body kit, a lot of additional carbon fiber parts, and also changed the interior performance and the sound of this. So that's what we are going to check on today's video. We will be doing a full tour of the exterior. Afterwards, check out the interior, finish it off with a sound check, and leave it up to you. Do you guys like it or not? So let's get on and start with the walk around of this DBX. First of all, it's the first time for me seeing it in person and filming the DBX Aston Martin, and I wasn't really sure about the design, about the look, but as we have an absolute monster here by Mansory, yeah, I can't wait to finish it off with a resume to give you my final thoughts. So let's get on and start with the front. So first of all, as you can see here, the front has been completely changed. We have a matte exterior paint. It's kind of looking like a Satin Grey Magno. We also have a white body kit installed on this. We have a lot of additional Mansory parts as well as carbon fiber parts here with the yellow details, the lights here in the bottom. This entire thing is done by Mansory and looks absolutely breathtaking. Finishes the entire look. Also the grille is full finished in black. We have the Mansory badge here in the front. The bonnet is also done by Mansory here with the additional outtakes finished in carbon fiber to give it the final touch. Looking at the side, you can instantly see the white body kit of this DBX, making it look way more sportier than it actually is, because the DBX in my eyes is a very elegant SUV. Still sporty, but way more elegant than what we have here. This thing looks like a monster. As you can see, we have the white body kit by Mansory, also with the additional carbon fiber parts here on the side to make it look more sportier. Even the side mirror here is finished in carbon fiber with the additional yellow details. Here on the bottom again, Mansory part, all finished in carbon fiber, in addition with the body kit that they have put on. Let me just open the door and you will instantly see it. There we go. Here you can see that's the normal door, and then we have the additional white body kit. It's like 5 centimeters thicker, and yeah, make the car look way sportier. You can also see and appreciate that from this angle over here. We will be talking about the interior later on, but let's focus on the wheels. Yeah, I kind of skipped the wheels. We have the Mansory forged wheels on this, full finished in black. Yeah, also the brake calipers here finished in yellow to give this the final touch. 24 inches here, and also in the rear we have again 24 inches forged Mansory wheels. They look kind of nice. It's not too much. They really fit the look of this. And something very cool is that the Mansory here, it's always on the same level. Even though it moves, it will be always horizontally placed like this. So now let's talk about the rear, and there's something, yeah, we have a lot of split decision when talking about this. Guys, I'm honest, I'm still not sure about the DBX and still not sure about the design, and I'm also not sure about the Mansory body kit that we have here on the rear. But how do you guys like it? I mean, the tail lights in total, they look like a sad face. They don't look like a brutal and sporty character, you know? Therefore, I don't know, how do you like the look of the tail lights here? But in addition, with the rear spoiler, this looks kind of nice. We have some carbon fiber additional add-ons here by Mansory. Spoiler 1 and spoiler 2, obviously. Monstrous car like this, you definitely need 2 spoilers, more downforce. We have the Mansory badge here, full carbon fiber finish, and the exhaust, listen. Also, the exhaust system is by Mansory, and the car is louder, way louder than the stock car. The full diffuser here, one of the biggest carbon fiber parts that I've ever seen, done by Mansory. Crazy. But now let's jump inside and talk about the interior. First of all, I have to mention it. The door handles here are so weird. I honestly don't like them. You just pull, like push and then pull it, but like the movement, it gets my fingers stuck and it's not that comfortable. But yeah, the interior, wow. Wow, what a nice interior. Okay, there's not a lot that Mansory has done here in the inside. We have additional, Mansory entrance board, the Mansory gas and brake pedals. The floor mats look so boring. No way these are the original floor mat. Crazy. Here the door panels full finished in leather. Why are these finished in plastic? I don't get it. Anyways, a few buttons on this car. I think you might remember them. These control buttons and units are all from Mercedes. Let me just jump inside and show you. So we are inside the Mansory Aston Martin DBX, and there's a few things that I have to show you as a big Mercedes-Benz fanboy, and it's this. Do you remember this touchpad? Guys, we used to have them on like the E-Class, for example, but they have removed it. The Cobra here, but it's covered with leather and also with control unit here. It's literally something from 2014, 2016. Why do they still put it in latest DBX models? I don't get it. It really is not the latest tech. Also the buttons here, the indicator for example, is from Mercedes. The sound is definitely not from Mercedes, but the indicator itself, the button, and also here the control unit is from Mercedes-Benz. The steering wheel here is completely redone by Mansory. The shape is different. The feel is also very nice. Full leather finish here, round steering wheel, yellow details here with the yellow stitching all over the interior, full leather finish, and also carbon fiber additional parts here. Also a second thing that I have to mention, the driving, the neutral, park and reverse right over here, like buttons, physical buttons. It's just so weird. You have to have long arms to instantly push it, you know. If not, you have to lean forward to push it, which is not that comfortable. I wish that they put the buttons right over here or something. That would be way easier to control it. The seats in total are also stock from Aston Martin, and I really love the design of these. You see like nice stitching, nice, really comfortable seats, also with the Aston Martin badge here on the headrest, which looks kind of weird, but anyways. The rear as well, full leather finished, and we have a huge panorama roof, which gives us a lot of light in the inside of this car. And also the handle here on top, it's finished in this fabric, like Alcantara or something. Yeah, it's Alcantara, but the feel is so bad. I swear it's so bad. Oh, who came up with this idea of putting this inside? It's just so weird, honestly. Okay, this is nice, full finished in Alcantara. No face reveal, and yeah, all in all guys, how do you like the inside? Let's just go ahead and do a sound check for you, okay? The engine is running, it's already a bit warm, and yeah, let's switch it up forward. But if you believe me or not, I really don't know how to do it. Mode. There we go. Sport Plus mode. And the exhaust is also the same as we have with Mercedes cars. Now listen up. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Crazy sound. What a crazy sounding car, guys. This is just absolutely... Yeah, this is how Mansory does it. The sound is just so nice. But now let's jump outside and you have to listen to that car from the outside. It's so nice. Let's go. Guys, it's now time for a sound check from the outside. And as I promised you, the sound is so good. So let's get on and start with the sound check. Let's go. What a crazy sound. As I mentioned, guys, this is definitely not made for the German market. I think the car will go abroad. Crazy. How do you guys like the sound? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section below, guys. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like the DBX by Mansory, the Aston Martin first ever SUV? In my eyes, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I'm just honest with you guys. I really don't like the design that much. I think the DBX 707 is something for me, but the base DBX, I really don't feel it and don't get it. The Mansory body kit here is just crazy. Makes the car look more unique, but all in all, I'm not convinced by the base model, and I think Mansory parts doesn't make it look better. Therefore, I'm looking forward to read your comments regarding this car, and I really looking forward to read your thoughts about this. Just leave it all in the comment section below. How do you like the exterior, interior? This sound is definitely a 10 out of 10. That's it for today's video. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.